at the Smokies Nail Retreat, and this is Paula Davies, and she is an author of a nail book. Tell us about it.
It's called All That Glitters, and it offers a lot of different perspectives on learning how to be a nail tech, from setting prices to learning how to educate your client to fighting burnout. And then I have some retail here because we just finished a retreat, and if you missed it, it was a great retreat. We learned so much. I think we each did about 14 nails, different styles. So I have electric file cases that are small. I have those little bags that are great for taking to class. So you can put your stamps in here or whatever class you're taking.
You sold out of your big bags.
I sold out of the big bags. I have some more stamping plates. This is one of my favorite things because it goes in and picks up the stone off.
It goes under the stone and
picks it up safely.
Lifts off the stone when you're trying to remove them from your nail art?
Yes.
Okay.
Whereas the cuticle nippers and things that a lot of people do that end up damaging the nail or the surrounding area. This is a neat ingrown file, but I also like it too because it's got this little tiny section here that you can lift up polish or lift the outside of the nail up to help you. This is one of my favorite things. This comes from Body Tools. It's ergonomically weighted, and so therefore when it goes to push into the cuticle, you're not going to go underneath the skin here. So it's very safe. And then you've got this to drag any extra gel that you might have got on the sidewalls of the nail.
That's good to know.
It's always important to have an electric file holder, and I like this because it's got adhesive on the back, so therefore you can stick it to the inside of your drawer. We've got these cute things. I love these. These go over your cuticle nippers, so if you drop them on the floor, you're not going to damage your nipples. Yeah. I got a variety of brushes. I like this. When you're taking a class, you need to bring a set of brushes so you can try to do every kind of technique they're going to tell you. It's even got a little tiny small dotting tool in there, which is great. And wax sticks for picking up stones. A sticker holder, which looks like this.
Oh, wait a minute now. Is that for your foils where you could?
You could wrap your foils around a business card and place them in here, and the spray, and then of course it bends afterwards. That's how to keep it dust free. Limited stamps, and I've sold out about everything else that we had today.
Nice.
So it's been great.
Ooh, I love it. Paula, what's the best thing that you have learned here at the Smokies Nail Retreat?
Today we worked on learning how to take a photograph of our work, making sure that the background of that photograph wasn't distracting from the actual nails that you were doing. So it was real important for me because that's not my area. And then learning how to post it on and target your market. For me, my market is 35 plus. So therefore, I'm not really focusing a lot on Instagram, but more so on Facebook. So anyway, we missed you. I hope you can come next year.
Thank you. Bye. Where can people find you, girl?
Well, I'll definitely be at the Smokies, and I'll have this book. But guess what else? I'm going to have another book. It's all art. So it's a how-to art book. So it covers all the mediums like glitter and mylar, and how to encase those or how to do those. And local artists that I know have been participating in this. So it'll have lots of how-to pictures and the history. It's going to be a great thing. So
and
I'm
they
so
can get it on Amazon?
You can get it on Amazon. It'll be available
anywhere else?
Yes, but you can avoid shipping and handling if you pick it up at the Nail Tech event of the Smokies.
Awesome. Coming up in July.
Yes.
So go to nailtechevent.com. Peace out, Nail Tech.
Peace out.